In the connection types here, another change that we made, nothing too exciting, but whenever you go to add a connection, it brings you into the add a connection piece. This used to be, the connection type used to just be a drop down, and whenever you click on it, it was showing a big list of all the connection types. Now, whenever you do it, it brings up the list, but it's a searchable list, so you can go in there and find it real quick, do a search, select, and then you're good to go. And then it automatically makes that reciprocal connection as well. So if I have somebody else, uh, Jane Fillmore Jones, save, select. So now Jane Fillmore Jones, the daughter, and then I can click on that and go to that contact. So this just makes it real easy to link people and stuff. But now instead of having the drop down and having to search through it, whenever you click on it, you can just type in the connection type and it'll be there.